So we finally got to our target area in Ogallala, Nebraska. Not really target area, just where we're gonna sleep for a few hours. I think we're all pretty exhausted, but we're gonna decide in the morning what we're gonna do. We're torn between South Dakota and the Nebraska Panhandle. I honestly have no clue where to go tomorrow, but hopefully the morning will tell us more. We're gonna be setting our alarms for hella early, so we're probably gonna get like 5 hours of sleep tonight, if that's okay. And I'm gonna crash hard when I get into this room. So hopefully tomorrow we get a surprise tornado. If not, I'll be perfectly okay with some more structure like we've been getting. So we'll see what tomorrow has. So I don't know what's going on, but I just found $2. She found $1.
Yeah.
She's going for a run to find more.
No. The alarm's gone off.
Tight.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, it's a great sign. What's going on? Another day, another 2%. Let's do this. I don't have to go to South Dakota, thank God, because I was really tired this morning.
It's easier to pick your nose than it is to pick your target.
That is very true.
Especially on these marginal days.
Especially in 2018, even on high risk days. Except these are the days that always seem to produce up here. So, yeah, we're here. We were in Roswell yesterday, Jesus.
Turn left.
It's been a long night.
West.
But we're at it. I'm full of Subway. Got my Baja Blast. Guido got his Baja Blast. And she has ungodly amount of caffeine for anyone. Which just RIP to me.
She's only 3 feet tall, so.
It is a loaded gun sounding. and oh Lord, help us all. So while we wait on storms to initiate today, we are in Sidney, Nebraska, and we are stopping at Cabela's, which this is their very first location that they ever opened. Which is kind of weird because this town is in the middle of nowhere in Nebraska, a little on the tip of the Panhandle. And I'm very familiar with this town. I've chased around here a lot. There's a Perkins that we always eat at over there, which is what we call our good luck. But we're about to enter some man's country right now, and we're gonna take a look before we get some storms a little later. Oh, we have a storm. Will it do it? I don't know. Maybe. Not a bad way to end the day. Got a pretty cool sunset ongoing right here on a decaying severe storm. Overall, not a terrible day. Missed the tornado in New Mexico, but no one could have really seen that coming except the people that are already down there. And a lot of people are down there missed it too, so it's whatever. This year continues to troll, but I'm gonna shoot some photos of this. Hopefully that sun pokes below the clouds right there and gives us a heck of a show. If not, no, it's on to tomorrow.